Hi, Dave Lawson. Welcome back to another Feature Spotlight video. Today we're going to be going over the Dometic 9100 12-volt power awning with built-in LED light bar. With me today is Randy Reedsecker from Dometic, and he will be bringing the features of the Dometic 9100 awning to you today.
Hey, I would like just to introduce you to the panel up here. What you want to do, you want to locate your monitor panel, and then you're going to locate your switch that says awning, and then you got to extend and retract. So to put it out, you'll just push the extend and hold it, and then that will take your awning out. And then when you're ready to leave for the day, you make sure it's all clear outside, and then you push the retract, and you push and hold it until it's fully retract, and then you just let go of the switch again. Now, another feature about the awning is it has a built-in LED light in the roller tube, and you'll just locate your switch, and it's just a matter of turning it on and off. The nice thing about the LED lights built into the roller tube, it illuminates your camping area where you're at and where you're spending all your time. And that way you're not illuminating your neighbors. Another nice feature that we have into it is, say you have a picnic table sitting at the other end of your awning and you don't want the water to dump on you from the automatic feature. What you can do, you can pull this side down, you can tighten up this knob right here, and it'll stay at an angle for you. So the water will continually come off of this side and you can stay totally dry at that side. In the event of a power failure and you're not able to get your awning rolled back in, what you want to do is locate your owner's packet, and in your owner's packet you'll have a black strap. And what you're going to want to do is take this black strap, and there's a channel right here at the end. And you're going to take the end and just slide it right in there, and then you're going to walk it down to the middle of the awning. Now, after you slide your strap into the center of the awning, this is where it requires a second person. That person is going to hold that strap while you do this process. And what there's two Allen screws here, and you'll loosen these two up. And as soon as you get them loose, it will want to go up on you, and that's where the second person will hold it. So you just take your tool, and it doesn't matter which one you start with, and you put it in and you just start loosening it up. So once you remove your two screws here, you unplug your power cord from right here, and while the person's holding the rope yet, you will assist them, and you're just going to roll it up. And it's just going to start on its own. And you roll it all the way back up to the coach.